Hey there, this is your Avon Lady, Chris Arnold. I have your product picks and preview for campaign 1 of 2020. And I think we're going to do a couple of fun new things for this video. Among other things, we're really going to be putting the preview into picks and preview toward the end of the video. So be sure to stay tuned all the way through. So campaign 1 of 2020, this is our last minute gifts brochure. So this is a great time to get your last minute gift shopping done, or also, as always, pick up a little something for yourself. We have all of the gifts kind of sorted by price, which I thought was a great idea for your last minute shopping. Make it really quick and easy. You can shop by budget. So we have gifts under $10, gifts under $15, $20, and $30, and even some gifts under $50. And then we have even some gifts for kids and gifts for family, kind of separated out. So lots of fun gifts. Keep in mind that, we do everything we do for the holidays is limited edition. So there may be some things in this brochure that sold out before this brochure got here. So definitely shop early for your best selection. And if you are shopping for the holidays, our last chance to order for the holidays, it's really going to depend on how close you are to our warehouse, which is in Ohio. But I would say, for all areas of the country except Alaska and Hawaii, if you order by December 15th, you'd be guaranteed to get it by Christmas. The closer you are to Ohio, the more you can push that limit up to about December 18th is the last day that they promise for areas closest around Ohio. So I would plan on ordering by December 15th. Gives 10 days for it to get there. You to get it wrapped and just, breathe easy that you have everything there and everything done. Let's see, a couple of new things in campaign 1. We have a beautiful navy gold and bold collection of jewelry. I have a couple pieces from this collection. I've got the necklace, the link necklace, which is definitely got the navy gold and bold in it. So it's got the navy and gold links. And the navy is kind of cool. It's a little bit of a swirled navy. It's hard to see in the video. I think this one probably shows it the best. Get a little bit of white swirled into the links there. It is a shorter style necklace. You can see on the model here, that's about with the extender at its shortest length. So the extender at its shortest length would put it about here, so more of a choker length. I actually have got a big enough neck I could not go on the shortest, and this is great. This is why we have the extender. And then I will show you the longest length. Puts it at about, I would say hangs at about 16 inches, which is about where I usually have my necklaces sitting. So just a little bit right at and below the collarbone there. So that is a great piece. And then they have the bracelet, the earrings, and actually 2 different types of earrings. You have a drop earring here and the hoop earrings. And what I really kind of like about this collection is the links in the necklace and the way the links are in the bracelet and the 2 different styles of earrings are all a little bit different. So you can kind of have a mix and match vibe to it, but still have everything coordinated by color. And then, of course, last but not least, this beautiful navy strap watch with the kind of mother of pearl face with the gold time markings there and the gold bezel around. So very, very pretty. It is like the leather-like band, so adjustable for many different wrist sizes. So beautiful, beautiful watch there. So that's in our new jewelry collection. And then each campaign, I'm also going to make sure this year that I highlight some of our existing products, some of our core products. This campaign I picked, it's actually one of our newer products, but I actually do have, that I have mentioned in a previous video, but I just had kind of a little sample trial size of it at the time, so I wanted to go ahead and show it now that I have the full size. This is the Dr. Bellmer Advanced, and it's one of the products from our collaboration with the Face Shop. So it was an existing product with the Face Shop that we're now able to offer through the Avon brochure. And the Dr. Bellmer Advanced creams, the key ingredient in those is cica, which is an herbal medicinal herb that was discovered when tigers would go and roll around in the grass, and it would have a healing effect on their wounds. So this is something that they have incorporated into a line of creams and serums and things. So we have 2 of those creams. The recovery cream is actually the thicker and richer of the creams. And so if you were going to use one during the day and one at night, I would recommend this one at night. This one has got, ceramides and vitamins and that help to restore the skin's moisture barrier, to keep the moisture in the skin, as well as having those healing properties from the cica. The Dr. Bellmer Advanced products are also one of the few products that have been through the testing that can be labeled as suitable for sensitive skin. So while we have lots of products that those with sensitive skin may be able to use, there's extensive testing that products have to go through to actually be labeled as specifically for sensitive skin, and we felt these products were worth doing that extra testing to be able to label them for that. Excellent option, and I'll show you. It's a nice, thick, rich cream, got like kind of a little bit of a pinkish tint to it. A little goes a very long way. Like this amount that I have on the spatula would probably be just about enough for my whole face. So, a jar will last you quite a while. And I really like the feel of it. It kind of, it feels, when it hits my skin, it feels like water. As thick and rich as this is, it just feels like water and refreshing, and just absorbs right into the skin. So that's the Dr. Bellmer Advanced. That's the recovery cream. That's the richer, creamier version that is more suited for evening use. It's also great for spot treatments. So say, we're going into cold and flu season, and a lot of people, runny noses, allergy season, you get that irritation around your nose. So, even if you don't have sensitive skin, you can still develop irritations from time to time. Maybe you tried a product that didn't agree with your skin and your skin got irritated. So this is also a great, spot treatment, something you can use from time to time just when needed, or that you can use just in the areas that really need it. So it's not even necessarily something that you would need to use all over your face to see the benefit from it. Just double checking to make sure I didn't forget any of the important stuff. Does, cools and soothes. It really does have that feeling to it. And it does provide some instant hydration for the skin. So especially, winter dry skin, if you're irritated from the cold and wind and the recirculated air in buildings that tends to be drier, this may be something you want to add to your winter routine. It is pretty heavy, so you could use it as your nighttime moisturizer, or you can use it as a treatment before your nighttime moisturizer after cleansing. And of course, we do still have our A box. This campaign, this is actually the first time I think we have ever had an A box that was available 2 campaigns in a row. It's that good of a deal. It's 4 trial sizes of some of our best-selling skincare products. You get the Hydrofusion Gel Cream, which is a nice light cream from our Hydrofusion line for moisturizing skin. And then you have 3 of our serums. You have our vitamin C serum for brightening, our power serum, which gives, the great thing about the power serum, you use that first and it gives a boost to the effects of any products that you use after it. And then our a new Neutralize, one of our newest serums, that is to protect your skin from the pollution and that in the environment and the damage that causes to your skin. And our back cover deal is stock up on lip balms. Great stocking stuffers, and I personally like to keep a lip balm in every purse or tote bag. I keep one near my desk. I keep one on my nightstand. Keep one in my car. I make sure I have lip balm everywhere I go, because you never know when you're going to need a lip balm. So, great deal to stock up on those in the fun holiday packaging. I've been showcasing some of our deals from our sale flyer. This is an extra little flyer that we sometimes have. It's not part of the regular brochure. All of these deals are available on our online store, and the best way to find them is you go to the online store, youravon.com/carnold, click on brochures at the top of the page, and then you can see the flyer and you can flip through the pages. But I wanted to highlight a couple deals this campaign. So we have the Imari fragrance, which is one of our top selling fragrances, and you can get the full size cologne spray with your roll-on deodorant for only $10.50. That's a great deal because the best sale you usually see on just the cologne in the brochure is $13.99. So really, really good deal with that. And also wanted to show, especially speaking of stocking stuffers, we have our 3-piece set of Senses shower gels. It's got the vanilla, the cucumber melon, and the cherry blossom. 3-piece set for $7.99. That comes out to about $2.67 a piece. Regular sale price, not even regular price, but the lowest sale price that we usually have those at is $3.29. So that's a great deal that you get. So it is, it's one of each. You don't get to pick your scents, but especially for stocking stuffers, those are great. You'd have a little something for everybody in the family scent-wise. And then I said I was going to be putting a little bit more preview in the picks and preview this campaign. So wanted to share something for you. We get a preview brochure as representatives. We get a preview brochure each campaign. So now each campaign, I'm going to pick a product from that. And in this case, these are products that are coming out in campaign 3 of 2020. So you're finding out about them a little bit ahead. And of course, if you want to be notified when they become available, just message me and I'll get you on the list. Make sure you get a text or an email, a phone call, whatever. Whatever's the most convenient way for me to reach out to you when they become available. So this campaign, I wanted to highlight coming in campaign 3, a new set of hand soaps that we have. And these are the Cucina, Cucina Fruits and Passion hand soaps. We have 3 different scents. And they're especially designed to be used in the kitchen because they're designed to help remove food smells from your hands. So, especially if you work with things like onion or garlic or just really fragrant foods, sometimes it's hard to get that scent off of your hands. So these new soaps are designed to help remove those scents from your hands. And they have some great, I think, culinary inspired scents. So we have, this is coriander and olive tree. We have the grapefruit and rhubarb, and the sea salt and Amalfi lemon, which I think is going to be my favorite. I feel like that's just going to be a nice, fresh, light, clean scent. So those are coming out in campaign 3 of 2020. And again, if you want to be notified, when those do become available, you want to make sure you don't miss out on them. Just shoot me a message in whatever way works best for you, and we'll get you on the list for those. Hope you're all having a wonderful, wonderful day, and I will see you again soon.